Alright guys, in today's video we're going to finish painting up the engine bay, we're going to paint the valve cover, and we're going to get the engine ready for the turbo. Let's go do that right now. So I got my valve cover right here, all centered down, primed, ready for paint. Let's start painting that right now. I'll be using this purple Rust-Oleum for the valve cover. Let's get started. Got a first rough coat on it. Just laying down a quick base. Liking this color. Pretty nice. Let's let that dry, then we'll come back, hit it with a second coat, see how it looks. That's how it looks with all 4 coats done. I think I'm gonna leave it like that, let it dry up. Then, after it dries up, I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna sand these letters down. Sand them down, have that aluminum color showing, then come back and clear it. But for now, just gonna let this thing dry out. Got the letters sanded down a little bit. Messed up a tiny bit right here, a little bit up here. I'm gonna tape it off, tape off the letters, redo the purple over here and over here, and then we're gonna clear it. Look at this thing, nice. Reshot one more layer. It's dry. I'm about to do the clear coat. Hopefully this thing comes out nice. What's going on over here, bro?
Nothing.
Nothing. What you working on, bro?
Just sanding down your shitty ass painting.
Why are we sanding it down?
Cause you did shitty ass painting.
What?
You wanna head over yourself?
Yeah. So right now Chris is working on the bay again. I kind of screwed it up the first time. He got pissed. So now we're sanding it back down, gonna respray it. Hopefully it comes out nice. He's gonna do it. He's the pro painter.
The propane?
The pro paint. So. And Chris putting in the work. Sanded the whole thing back down. Yeah. Some last little touches. Gonna hit it with the power washer. Then what, bro?
Paint it.
Paint it. Paint it. Nice.
You wanna do house again?
Bro, why is your hand so fast?
Oh, jerk off a lot.
Oh shit. Chris, hit it with the power washer.
I was like, why does it have soap?
You done?
You don't see that little white stuff?
Started the paint process. Let's see how it comes out. paint coat's all dry, shooting that clear coat, make it nice and shiny. Come back when it's done. Alright guys, it's another day. We let the bay dry up. It's dry, it's done. We're gonna leave it like it is. Any imperfections, I don't care. I just want to get the engine in. The valve cover dried up. I'm gonna show you guys right now what it looks like. There's kind of no sun out, so you can't really see the paint all too well, but who cares? Let's see it right now. Alright, so this is how the bay came out. I'm happy with it. It doesn't have to be perfect. This is just my street car, my track car, you know. It's not a show car. I love it. I don't care what anybody says. I love this metallic blue. I don't know if you guys can see in the camera. No, the camera's not really helping, but there's a lot of glitter on this paint. The shadow's not helping. I love it. Finally done. Can finally just focus on the engine now. I'm ready to throw that on there. Actually, I'm going to fix these power steering lens down here too. I kind of kinked them when the engine was coming out. But as far as the bay paint, it's done. Gonna leave it as this. I love it. Now let's take a look at the engine. I put the valve cover back on that you guys saw I painted. Let's see how that looks. Damn! Look at that thing. Fresh. Looks like new again. As you guys saw, I painted it purple, sanded the letters back down, and hit it with the clear coat. Look at this thing, that black on purple. That purple is going to look nice with the blue of the bay. Sick. I love this thing. Here it is in the sun. Nice sparkle to it. All done. Now we got to throw everything back on there. Overflow tank, fuse boxes back in. Gotta fix those hoses. But love it. Alright, so look at this thing now. I got most of the stuff back on there. Got the water pump, distributor, all the brackets back on there. I got the alternator back on there. I got these heater hoses. They're gonna be a pain in the butt. We don't do them right now. Everything's back on. Next up, all the turbo stuff. I didn't show you guys any of this stuff. It's just your basic stuff. What you guys want to see is all the turbo stuff. That's coming up soon. Maybe next video, hopefully. But this is how she sits right now. All nice and pretty. Exhaust manifold is going to look nice on there. She's getting there little by little. Hard work. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this, give it a like. Any suggestions, give a comment, subscribe. Stick around, you guys. Next time, we're going to be doing all the turbo stuff. I got a couple parts in the mail. You guys will see that when I get them. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys next time.